gave you the consent to go to the party and enjoy yourself. When did enjoyment comes with pain, and nobody now look on this in a bad light. This is giving party a bad shine. You understand me? Nobody now look on it that way. When you as a 17-year-old girl go out and you get yourself in a problem, could have lose your life. You understand me? What are you doing out in a pandemic time like this? Number two, you were dancing in a mask. We now understand that. We now realize that. You understand me? She wrong on every level. Every level she wrong on, and we can use minor and petty information for sink her. She wrong on every level. And nobody cannot tell you not to defend your friend or family once you go out in a party. Me not have to walk with you for the two of them sister you come with crowd. Look at me alone. Look for me bad. Me and you go in an argument. You understand me? Because una go like the girl is right so and she just start beat her. No! I never saw. An argument exude. Argument exude. So it's not like you look for me so I'm just start beat you with the slippers in your head. Bloop, 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 bloop. Una go like una two downs. An argument exude. No, if an argument exude, that is freedom for you to exit, for you to elude the crowd. Because guess what? Your army is not enough. Your army is not enough. So if you look at me bad and me go argue, a big old girl, where you look at me so far, you understand me? So even in a case where me in a face, the rest of people who come with me have to realize say war go on. Don't tell me shit. Do not tell me shit. Yeah. The whole on go like an idiot. Something in a something. An argument exude before the lick is. But you una wait on details because guess what? Some of una can't learn it because una detail oriented. So una challenge una mind and una vision to spread wide. Now if she can them go to court, judge, I am the one who liquor with the NSA bottle. No, you are not. No, Mr. She beat my friend R. She did a look for me bad, stating that I share the person. She did a look for me bad. I know me and her arguing. Eh? I'm not taking any side, but just telling them the reality of it. Number one, your age, her age. If her age, it's wrong. It should not be in that arena at that particular time, based on the fact that this is a pandemic. Number one, she wrong on that level. So if the six get a good lawyer, they can override her. Street lane and avenue. No, nobody tell you shit. She underage. Number one, she poke the beer. You get what I say? She poke the beer. You don't understand that the beer come with them CUBS. Exactly so. Somebody said them ears that she always doing it to people. Me telling you, some people have a style, a tendency for show out. Me know one girl will live down a side. She gave the first lick and no one care how the fight ever done.
Three sides to a story.
It's always.
CR1, for them one, and the truth.
Me not Donald Trump, me Donald Trump daughter. Cause enough for una go like some glad Donald Trump lose. And enough for una dip on him side. Move on a nastiness. Move, someone not even know foreign politics. Remember run on a athlete. Eh? Remember run on a athlete. Yeah, enough for una go on. Me not have nothing to say about any prime minister up there. Number one, me don't know them. Number two, me a pilgrim and I want to go in them country and take up the money because it's bigger than Jamaican own. That is it. Me no want to go over there go breed and bring her children. Me not run down that move on and ask yourself. Donald Trump cut out enough laziness, that's why I hate him. I am not a Trump supporter, but me can't tell you this. He cut out enough laziness, that's why I hate him. You can't sling in a house and breed and live off of welfare. Come eat me. Come eat me. Anything we hard for una do, una always fight against it. Come eat me. Donald Trump cut out whole heap of something. Donald Trump cut out laziness and inject ambition. Move. Quick. Come eat me. Me don't know how you feel they are fighting for 18 years and you do straight. Illegal immigrant, he might cut them out. Illegal immigrant, he might cut them out. There is no possible way you can be in one country illegal and you know work out your papers. Move because